Hi guys, this is Liu. I'm just sharing you a short video of my skincare routine, a simple skincare routine. Firstly, I'm using Eskinol since this is the only cleanser that is suited to my skin. I am putting them all over my face as well as on my neck. But if you have any recommendation when it comes to this, to the cleanser, please do leave a comment or any anything that will improve on how I deliver my video. Nextly is I am using a Pillow mask, which is from Beauty Trends, which is oil control and skin lightening. I will be using them all over my face since I am having breakouts or pimples since I'm having my monthly period. I usually use them just on my nose because just to get the whiteheads and blackheads and also on my chin. But for this, I'm putting them all over my face. I will usually leave them around 5 to 10 minutes. Then I will be removing it gently as possible. Okay, I think I'm done with it. Then I'm just gonna leave it around 5 to 10 minutes to dry. So here on it already dry. So I'm already removing the mask. As you can see guys, I am already old. I'm 39 years old. As you can, if you were able to look on my other videos that was 5 years ago. I mean, sharing them on YouTube recently. I'm laughing because the interface or my face is keeps on changing. I guess when it comes to Android phone, the camera will automatically adjust. So I tried my best not to smile. But still, that is really my face. Guys, if you have any recommendations with cleansers, please do leave a comment. But as much as possible, I hope it's not costly. Because I did use some really, expensive products, but still, it's not good for my face. I do want a oil control and pimple control. Because during my teenage years, I'm not very lucky when it comes to clear skin. I easily get breakouts, so I do change a lot when it comes to cleansers or skincare with regards to face because uh, I do research sometimes when it comes to skincare, and it says I don't know today's skincare, but way back then, you have to change every now and then with regards to your skincare because our hormones, if that's what you call, really, uh, they change also. So you have to every now and then you have to change the product that you will be using because it might not be suited to your skin already. I usually put a liberal amount when it comes to pillow mask so that I can easily remove them. But with regards to this, I want to use minimal so that I will be able to know if the product is uh, really good or good. Guys, please do give me recommendations, which is especially to eye cream or any skincare products. I mean the eye cream also. I'm so particular with this. I want a firming or skin tightening, or because I already have the although I do have eye creams, but if you have any recommendations which is good for firming or lifting, that would be good. As you can see, I'm having a trouble. I'm always stressed with regards to this poor skin. For the rest that I cannot remove anymore because I'm already tired. I will be using the skin cleanser again just to remove everything and to remove sebum, because as you can see, I know that you can see them, but I am already producing oil or sebum on my face. So the rest of it, I will be removing it using the skin cleanser. For me, skincare, it not really depends if it's costly or not, but what is best suited to your skin, that is that you will be using, even if it's not expensive or it is expensive. Since I am a Filipina, I will be using the product which is locally made. Since those products are suited for our skin. But if you have any recommendations other than local brands, it is greatly appreciated. Nextly, I will be using a pimple patch. I mean, that is not a pimple patch. That is good also if you have scars, you have wounds. You can also put that. I bought that online. That is around 100 pesos. I'm just putting not all of my pimples, but some that is really big. For me, big. I don't know how you say that, but if I have, guess that's all for now, and bye.